Hi students, my name is Christian Fröhlich. I'm assistant professor in sociology here at Higher School of Economics. And I'm the academic supervisor of the master program Comparative Social Research. Let me use the opportunity here to tell you a little bit more about our program. I mean, you know, our world is globally, internationally connected. Every society is connected to another one. All cultures are somehow related to each other. So in order to come up with solutions to the problems today in the world, we need to understand how those societies and cultures evolve and how to actually, in order to actually come up with problem solutions. So that is the purpose of comparative social research, and we have built a whole master program around that issue. The 2 years of our program are a truly international experience for our students. For one, every year several international students are also admitted to our program, so if you study in our program you are in an international group of students. Our teachers group is also comprised of lecturers from all over the world. They are teaching together with our Russian colleagues the several courses in our program. And our students do their academic internships, and it's very important. We pay a lot of emphasis towards research work, and our students do research work during their internship at research institutions abroad and in Russia, and we always support our students to go abroad. And last year, students of ours have been in Portugal, in Great Britain, in Germany, and the Netherlands. And in addition, we invite international guest lecturers to our programs who do workshops or guest lectures for our students outside the usual curriculum. Because of that international experience during the 2 years, our students have high chances to get admitted to international PhD programs. As it was this year, our graduates got into scholarship programs at Western universities, but also are highly successful in PhD programs at Russian universities, especially here at Higher School of Economics. The core of our course program are courses about methodology, qualitative and quantitative methodology, and about how to actually do comparison. And those 3 courses we now want to present you in a short manner. I'm organizing the course on comparative social research. And although already Durkheim, the big classic of sociology, said that comparison is at the core of sociology, often it is not really clear what is comparison and how to do comparison. And the aim of our course is actually to provide you a good understanding of what is comparison and how to do it actually, how to actually realize a comparative approach in your empirical research. So on the one hand, we will look at classical studies of comparative sociology, for example, a study on revolutions, and see how they actually produce meaningful results by using comparison. But on the other side, we will look also at very contemporary studies analyzing the modern welfare state, varieties of capitalism, or varieties of political systems, in particular democracy, to get a good feeling on how to do comparison, what is comparison in modern social science. But although this course may be heavy literature and a lot of discussion about texts, students also will have to develop their own research question with a comparative approach. So at the end, every student will have an idea about their comparative research design they want to pursue during the program, so they can actually start to develop their own empirical research project with a distinct comparative approach. So, if you got a taste, please go to our website for more details. Our program is your chance to be part of international social science.
So my name is Lili Di Pupo. I'm here assistant professor of sociology at the Higher School of Economics, and I would like to say a few words about my course, which is Introduction to Qualitative Research in Sociology. So in this course, what I want to teach students is, in fact, it's an introduction to qualitative research, but not in the sense that I will teach only qualitative methods that you can use, but it's important for me that students understand the worldviews, the philosophical assumptions behind qualitative research. And also, what is important is that students understand the different stages that are involved in qualitative research. It means you will know how to collect the data in the form of interviews, in the form of observations, and doing fieldwork. Then you will understand how to. A second stage which is important is to understand how to analyze this data. And here I will explain, for example, what is grounded theory. Also, overall, you will learn how to design a qualitative research design. And finally, what is important in this course is that you understand the role of the researcher. So this course is at the same time an introduction to qualitative research with texts. We will analyze this text, but also you gain some first practical experience of observation, and you understand how, as researcher, you relate to the object of study. So I will be happy to teach you this course during the master program. Thank you.
Hello dear friends, I'm Anna Almakayeva, Deputy Director of the Laboratory for Comparative Social Research, or LCSR. LCSR is supervised by Ronald Inglehart, the author of modernization theory, which describes the evolution of societies, cultures and institutions. Scientific interests of our research fellows are quite broad and covers migration, tolerance, corruption, trust, social capital and of course cultural change. Our students have a unique opportunity to write their master thesis under supervision of leading international scientists. Our program is a unique combination of high sociological theory and advanced methods of data analysis. At the same time, we welcome students who don't have any statistical background. As a lecturer, I teach introductory courses on data analysis. You will learn how to describe social trends, how to analyze data, and how to make sense from quantitative surveys. My aim purpose is to demonstrate that statistics may be easy and exciting. We welcome you at our master program.
Приходите, мы вам будем рады.